Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Vrishali, your psychic medium, spiritual healer and a writer. So my today's reading is about what is the relationship status with the current pandemic situation. And for that we have three different piles. So I'm beginning with pile 1. Okay, so let's just quickly see what are the messages for you. This is a timeless reading whether you are into a marriage or committed relationship or just beginning at the relationship. This reading could definitely help you. Okay, so the first card I have is like the current situation is definitely has taken a setback on your relationship, and the strength seems to be lost a bit because I have this Ace of Wands card in reverse. Okay, let's see what is the next message. And I also see that the World card is also in reverse, so some of you may be experiencing end of relationship or strongly need to look at things which will reconcile you, but I see this is a little difficult situation. Okay, things are really upside down, and the things which you guys had not looked into, so those have come up for the healing. Okay, and there has been a lot of conflicts. Okay, so a lot of communication is going haywire, it's like distorted. The communication is really in a bad state right now. And also for some of you it could be the call to be taken to end this relationship, because the relationship is lacking the abundance energy, because we have this Empress card in reverse. Okay, so this is really affecting the relationship, because the abandons what was required to keep this relationship stable and confined to its roots, to its strongest foundation. So that has gone missing. Okay, and I also see the High Priestess card. So somebody might be, doing a lot of manipulations. Somebody is using their uh, emotional wise side to manipulate this relationship, but end of the day we have to look at things which are in our favor. Okay, and which help us to emotionally grow and not stay stuck. Okay, because I have this Justice card in reverse. So what it means, like, if you are feeling like, if your intuition is telling you that you need to take a call about the situation, if you need to really utilize your intuitive self, which probably you're not doing. Okay, so the time has come that you need to use your intuition. Okay, because things are really going haywire, things are really not what they seem to be like. Okay, so you need to look at it. And I'm also going to add some more messages from the energy oracle cards here. So I have this first chakra card in the reverse position like this. Okay, now what this means is basically uh, the foundation, okay, on which this relationship was built, right? This is not the situation now. The things are in the reverse position. So some of you are definitely breaking this foundation. So this could be a breaking of the relationship, breaking of the marriage, or breaking of that friendship which was built on the foundation which does not exist in today's world. Okay, and I also see this card. Okay, a man holding a coin in a reversed position. Okay, so basically this person who was the provider, or who was appearing as to be the provider in the life, is not going to be there anymore. Okay, this could be a man or the woman. So whoever was the provider in this relationship is not going to be around. Okay, and that is the reason. Okay, you need to look at healing yourself and taking the situation as it is, rather than staying in a dramatic world and not accepting for people who they are. Okay, so this is very important. You accept things, you move ahead with situation, and you take things with a pinch of salt, because they are for your highest good. Eventually everything settles down. It's just that we have to go through the turmoils, we have to go through the hardships to become who we are, to become who we are supposed to be, to whom we are chosen to be in this lifetime. So, opening to spiritual healing, awakening to your soul's calling, where you are pulled in which direction, those things are really important. Okay, so that's it for pile 1. These are the readings for y'all. Thank you so much. Now I'll move to the next pile. Okay, so now we're moving ahead with pile 2, and the messages for pile 2 are Page of Wands. Okay, I see here. So the relationship could be going through a lot of communication issues or misunderstanding of expectation, what the other person should be, putting the energy inside. So there is a lot of mismatch with the expectation. So you are expecting your partner to be more matured instead of this immaturity. Or maybe if there are some issues in your relationships, you want the partner to take the ownership of the relationship, and to provide and support you in case if there are issues ongoing around with the family members. So this is what you're looking at, this is what you're expecting from your partner, and that is where the discord is existing. Okay, and I'm also going to tell you the next thing, which is that you are strongly agitating with your partner. There are fights, somebody is not taking the sort of actions that you are expecting them to take, because we see that this Knight of Swords is in reverse. Okay, so that is also causing some kind of distortion in the relationship, and that's the reason the frustration is building up. Okay, so the next message is like there's a lot of back and forth of the issues that have been interfering. So too much of discussions about the past, you did this, you did that. So many things that we should not be pulling up in the discussions are coming up. Okay, but they are coming up for a reason, they are coming up for the healing, they are coming up for clearing of these energies which are not serving you any purpose. So a lot of complications that you guys are dealing with or have been dealing with, I think you should speak it out and just put an end to it, otherwise it will create more ruckus in the relationship. Next is, since there is no socializing, that means you, because of the COVID, because of the pandemic situation, since there is hardly any interference of any third party or any third people in your life, or less of interactions from the society, this is like really affecting, because now you have nothing else to look at but to look within yourself, to look at where the relationship is lacking. Okay, where the relationship is lacking its true love, its compassion, its essence, its beauty, and what you need to fix the relationship. So the entire focus needs to be on yourself instead of the people around you. And I have one more card, is like, if you really want this relationship to work, then the only thing you need to do is you need to offer this cup of love. Okay, which is in the reverse position. So until unless you do that, until unless you both make an effort, things may not appear good. Okay, things may not move in the right direction. Now let's take some oracle card messages as well. I have the first message is like, you're holding so much love. Okay, the feminine energy in this reading, you're holding so much love in your heart, but it's just that you have to express it, because if you don't express it, you're going to feel deprived about what you deserve. Okay, so rather than keeping all the love inside, it's so important that you express it out truly, what you want in your relationship, what you are looking at in the relationship. So expression is very important. Okay, and the next message is, okay, contract, right? Now this was in reversed. Okay, so one thing I'm getting intuitively is like, if you are tired of giving a lot, and you're not getting what you wanted or what you deserve, because I see like even this card was in reverse right after this card. Okay, I mean right before this card. So I can tell you one thing, that you see if your relationship can be improved. if you feel that your relationship is not improved, it's not heading anywhere, and you are still stuck up with all the love only with yourself and not being able to share it with your partner, so time has come that you need to take an action about this relationship, whether this is working for you, is it workable? If not, then you should definitely not give a blind eye and look at it, whether this is fulfilling, whether this is nurturing, whether this is going to give you long term happiness. If not, then you are free to take the decision what you want to take, uh, because if you are strong enough to take that decision for yourself what you want in the relationship, then definitely the victory will be yours. Okay, but this relationship still needs a chance, it still needs a little bit of working, but if it doesn't work to the direction which you expect it to be, and if it's not happening, then you need to take action. Okay, you need to take action on this contract, and definitely you have a victory. Okay, so this is the message for you, pile 2. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Now I'll move to the pile 3. Thanks. Pile 3, we are moving ahead with our reading. Okay, and so let's see the messages for y'all. So the first thing is that I have this 10 of cups in reverse. Okay, so maybe in the past you did not get much time to spend with your family, right? So they were always in some complaint mood that you are not spending too much time with them, but this situation has given you that opportunity to spend more time with your family, to strengthen your foundation, to move towards more commitment in the relationships, to take your relationship to your next level. Okay, so this looks like a marriage, this looks like celebration, this looks like committing your relationship, engagements, right? So this is the phase that is coming for y'all. And I also see like some of you are even moving, traveling together some place. Maybe this could be a honeymoon, this could be a destination where you always wanted to travel with your partner. So this journey is coming ahead, right? And this journey is something which is for your pleasure, for your me time with your partner. So this is great. Okay, this is great for you, pile 3. Also precautions that not to be too about not to complain too much about your previous fights or some things which did not go as per expectations, or too much of digging of the past is not supposed to be where you need to take your relationship, because that could end up to a lot of, again, sort of immature discussion. So that should be avoided, because since this relationship is moving ahead towards confirmation, towards proposing each other, for being with each other for a long time, a long term, and more fulfilling, and this cup of love is an offer between these couples, as you see. So this is where the relationship is actually going ahead. So these fights should be avoided, that's what I feel. Now we also take the oracle card messages. So I have this world card. So this relationship has matured to the level where it was supposed to reach. Okay, so it's completing, the cycle is completing, the confirmation is coming. So this is a heavenly confirmation that you are getting what you wanted, what you always aspired, right? So this is how the pandemic situation has got you all more closer together. So even though you felt earlier that you were all tied up, okay, or the communication was not coming the way you thought it should be, like, okay, but that situation is supposed to be moving ahead now. And we can see the fifth chakra card, okay, which is the throat chakra. uh, the communication is coming, so you can expect any time this proposal coming towards you, which will lead you to the confirmation, which will lead you to your heart's desire. Those words which you were waiting to hear, those words are coming. You are getting that confirmation, you're getting that fulfilling commitment which you always longed for it for a very long time, and you thought whether it will come or no, but this is the confirmation that it is coming, though it was not appearing to be coming earlier, but now it is coming. Okay, so I bless everybody who is watching this reading. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like my channel, share it with your loved ones, and if you've liked the reading, please give it a thumbs up and be there on this channel for more good readings. Thank you so much for watching.